Hi, I'm Susan. Today is day 11 of the Junk Journal January, hosted by Meg Journals in collaboration with Get Messy Art. Be sure and check out their channels, and be sure and check out the hashtag Junk Journal January and Junk Journal January 2024. And our prompt for today is eclectic. And so that's what I'm going for. So I'm going to speed this up and let the music go a little louder, and I'll be back at the end. So without further ado, let's get started. Well, here we are. You can't get much more eclectic than that, I believe. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out Meg and Get Messy Art's channels and the hashtags Junk Journal January and Junk Journal January 2024. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. It sure helps my channel to grow. Subscribe if you haven't. It doesn't cost anything. And hit that notification bell so you'll know when I upload new videos. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. So until next time, bye y'all.